Okay, now this is going to be revving and then going for everybody, not just the extra gravy members. But if you want to see more in these, because I did a 5-minute video driving in them, please hit the join button next to the subscription button. And not only do you get to see more and longer videos, we actually take your requests first, and we do your requests first, and you help us out too. All right, because YouTube doesn't really pay us that much. All right, here we go. So I'm hitting my foot on the revver. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm kind of like doing this backwards, huh? Maybe when I get to the stop sign, I'll rev it for you. How about that? Woo. Okay, now we're at the stop sign, and there's people across the street, so they're gonna think I'm weird for revving, but I don't care. Here we go. Put my blinker on so they know what I'm doing. Okay, here we go.